Thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, the Honourable Clover Moore. Welcome to Pirrama Park, a land of the Gadigal people, one of 29 Aboriginal clans that make up the Darug Nation. I'd like to take this opportunity to remember those traditional people, the elders of the past, the present and the future, and also to thank you for their guidance. I'd like to now present you with a welcome song. This song is to keep you safe. It roughly translates to, while you're travelling through this country, may be kept safe in your journeys and your travels throughout, but it's also extending a hand of friendship. So feel free to clap along. Your energy is good for me. I can give it back to you. Thank you. Thank you all. Enjoy the day.